Make $1 per email today. So easy. Is it real? Yes, it is. Completely legit. One email, $1. One email, $1. One email, $1. One email, $1. You don't need any skills, any experience. One email, $1. Submit an email, $1. Enter an email, $1. It's just like this. So easy. You don't need to do anything else. It's so new, just for you in 2020. Please keep watching. Hello, I'm Ershad from United Braves. If you've just found our channel, it's about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, and making money online. To watch more videos just like this video, please subscribe our channel and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. I'm gonna show you a way to earn $1.50 per email and show you how easy it is that you can earn money so easy just by collecting emails, and you don't need any skills, any experience, and it's a pretty cool way to earn money online. Please keep watching this video. I'm gonna show you. Imagine that, for example, you can send 50 emails. You can collect 50 emails, and then for each of them you will get this amount of money, $1.50, and just by 50 emails you can earn $75. Yes, just by 50 emails you can earn $75. Imagine that if you, for example, collect 200 emails, and this would be the amount of money that you will earn, $300 just by collecting emails. You can start making money online this amount of money. And as I already told you, it's so easy and you don't need any skills, any experience. Just by collecting emails just like this, you can earn money, and that's all. Just please keep watching this video till end, because I'm gonna reveal the website after some seconds, after some minutes for you, and please keep watching not to miss any information that I'm gonna show you how this system works for you to earn money today after watching this video. As you see, for Amazon gift card, just email submit. Just it works in the United States, not any country. That's why it's written that get your Amazon gift card converts on email submit, US only. Yes, and if you click here, full landing page preview, you will come here, complete our survey to receive an Amazon gift card. Just you will submit, you will enter your email, and that's all what you need to do. Actually, you work here as an affiliate marketer. What you need to do is just come to this website and create an account in this website, and then just by registering in this website as an affiliate marketer, then you have a special link for your landing page that it looks like this, and then just send your traffic to this landing page. Each person who is from the United States, if they enter their email address here and then submit it, you will earn for per email 150 cents. 150 cents. Yes, it's just that easy. Yes, just by collecting emails just like this, you can earn money per email. That's so easy, and you don't need any skills, or you don't need anything to do. And another way is just Walmart gift card. Yes, Walmart gift card, it's another way. Walmart $500 gift card. Again, just by collecting per email, you will earn $1.50 per email. Just they should be from the United States and just US only, as you see here. For the landing page of this offer here, if you click here, you will come over here. Here are 3 questions for you. For the person that wants to get $500 prepaid Walmart gift card. There are 3 questions just like this. Do you currently live in the United States? Yes. Do you use social media sites like Facebook? Yes. Do you have a valid email address for confirmation? Yes. And then we need to wait for calculating, and after that, congratulations, you qualify. That's all. And then we need to enter our email address, and here we go, and we earn just per email we can earn $1.50 per email. Just by collecting per email we can earn this amount of money. This is the landing page of this offer. I mean, if you register in this website, you will become an affiliate marketer, and you have a referral link, a special link for this offer. It will be your landing page. Then you need to send traffic to this landing page, I mean to your landing page, and collecting, just by collecting per email you will earn $1.50. just that's easy. And you can share your landing page, I mean this link in your Instagram account, on your Facebook account, and you can send your friends emails to ask them to enter their email address and submit their email addresses for you, and per email you will earn $1.50. just like this Walmart $500 gift card. This is the offer of this website. And then another one is Amazon gift card. Just by submitting email you can earn this amount of money. It's so easy. The website that I showed, offervault.com, you can come here to this website. This is the homepage of this website. Then click here category and choose just email. You will see there are different offers for email, and then just search Amazon gift card or Walmart gift card. Then there are different offers for you, and you can choose each of them that you like. And just for registering this website is so easy. You can click here register, and then you can register in this website very easily. You will come over here. You need to enter your name, your email address, and create account. After that they will send you an email. You need to confirm your email, and after confirmation you should log in this website, and you should go to the homepage of this website and log in, and then click here category and choose email. Then write here Walmart, for example Walmart gift cards. Then there will be different offers for you. You can choose each of them that you like, and that's all what you need to do to earn money in this website. Also, you can search here Amazon gift cards, and just like this you can earn money just by collecting emails, what just I showed you in this video. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you. Every single day I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below this video. I'll answer all your questions. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next videos. Please click subscribe our channel. Don't forget it. Subscribe our channel. Click subscribe, click. I'm waiting for you. Click subscribe, click.